Welcome back to Raymond Lee Jewelers web series. I'm Liz, and today I'll be telling you about three of Rolex's most iconic watches. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual Submariner, first introduced in 1954 at Basel, was designed as a diver's watch and is known for its water resistance. Modern submariners have three distinctions. The first is a water resistance up to 1,000 feet thanks to its triplock gasket system and its steel oyster case. The second distinction is a unidirectional rotatable bezel. The graduations on the Submariner's ceramic bezel allow divers to track submersion time moving only clockwise to prevent overestimating the amount of air in a tank. The third distinction of a submariner is the perpetual winding movement. Essentially, any minute movement of one's wrist will power the movement within the Rolex. This power is stored in the springs and allows the Rolex to power itself for an additional 2 to 3 days, even when the wearer does not have it on his wrist. The Rolex Cosmograph Daytona was pioneered to suit professional racing needs. First introduced in 1963, the Daytona has a patented chronograph mechanism as well as a bezel with a tachometric scale that allows one to precisely measure a lap circuit time. Modern Daytonas feature the first distinction is a bezel engraved to function as a tachymeter. It can measure a lapse time over a set distance of up to 400 miles or kilometers per hour. The second is three hands. The central hand records units of time in 1/8 of a second, while the counters in the 9 and 3 positions measure hour and minute units. Because Daytonas are still manufactured today, the first of this series are incredibly valuable acquisitions for any collector. The rarest and most valuable of these series are Daytonas with the Paul Newman dial, so named for the actor who wore a Daytona from the inception of his racing career until his death in 2008. The GMT Master, first introduced in 1955, was a collaboration with Pan Am so that its transcontinental pilots would have an accurate source of GMT on their long flights. Before the advent of modern flight technology, GMT, or Greenwich Mean Time, was the central basis for all flight scheduling, planning, and navigation. It was imperative to a safe flight that a pilot have an accurate source of GMT. Modern GMT Masters feature dual hands tell time with a 24-hour hand as well as the adjustable 12-hour hand for effortless and precise transitions between time zones. The second distinction is the 24-hour bezel. The bezel on a GMT allows its wearer to tell time in a third time zone and has only 24 possible positions in its rotations for flawless time telling. Historically, the second time zone on the GMT helped flight crews deal with jet lag. This particular feature has made it popular with business travelers, soldiers, astronauts, and others who must contend with multiple time zones as part of their profession. Thank you for watching, no pun intended, and we'll see you next week as we discuss the distinctions of different GEM certifications.